Hey there, everyone. Gregg Johnson with the Entrepreneur Dad. Today, I wanted to share with you a great lead magnet that was shared with me a few months ago, and it has really been helping my business. It's also really great if you're on YouTube. This is a way to learn how to utilize this amazing platform even more. So let's get into it. I actually use a platform called leadsleap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this, walk you through the lead magnet, the thank you page. There's also an email follow up, but this is a whole sequence. And then there's some other businesses that I have tied in here, several that you certainly want to check out. But I'm going to make sure to include all of the links. There's some other videos that are going to be tied to this as well. But this is a completely done for you lead magnet. It's something that you can rebrand yourself. I did not come up with this. So I've been working with a gentleman since about January. Really, really great at creating these. He does it for his primary business, which is also mine, called Paraiba. His name is Edward Keat. I'll be sure to include a link to his YouTube channel as well, because he really does some fantastic stuff. He's been doing network marketing and affiliate marketing for much longer than I have. But this is a really fantastic tool to attract new prospects, be able to share something for free. When you get into this business, if you're looking to grow, you've got to provide a lot of value. So that's what I wanted to do here in this video. So let's walk through this for just a couple minutes here. And as you can see, this is actually called a YouTube influencer guide. And so you put in your name and your email, and you can see this is going to help you generate really a lot of traffic. There's a lot of ways that you can utilize this, whether you want to position it in free platforms, even if you want to use it as paid platforms. But in order to get the tool out there for you, the lead magnet, as I said, this is a 100% rebrandable, and I'll show you what that looks like. And really only takes a few minutes to get it set up. So you can download the free report, and you'll actually get an email sequence that will walk you through over the next 7 days. That is really, really great information as well. So once you put in your email address and your name, then it redirects you to this page right here. And so welcome to YouTube Influencer. And there's this little video that you can watch. It's a couple minute video to walk you through some of the details, but immediately you can come in here and download this report. So you can click on here. You'll be able to see this is what the report looks like. It's 36 pages, so a lot of really great information. Here's the table of contents. And then as you can see, you can go through this over and over again because there's a lot of great information. So if we go back over here, so embedded in this report are actually these platforms. And so, as I mentioned, I use leadsleap. That's my all-in-one tool I use for lead magnets, page builders, autoresponder, list management. It's all right there. It's really affordable, but you can get started for free. And then there's also this one right here, which is called teambuildclub. It's actually another free platform that gives you access to a downline. It'll actually build it for you up to the first 200. And then if you want to pay a little bit of money, then you can get access to even more. But this is a great way to start building your business online. Then there is also Paraiba. That's one of my primary businesses. And this is a fantastic platform. And what I'll do is I'll down in the notes below, I'll tie in some links to some other videos so that you can learn more about those. I'm not going to take the time to do it right now just because I wanted to walk you through this lead magnet first. And then once you get down here, you can get the share codes. So if you register with leadsleap, I'm going to leave all of my share codes right here. So the first page was that lead capture page. Then the page that we're on is currently the thank you page. And then there's also a follow-up email sequence. Now, I will let you know, in order to take advantage of that email sequence, you would have to upgrade to the pro membership in leadsleap. I think it's only $27 a month. But if you choose to stick with the free one, that's fine as well. You can still capture all those leads. It's not going to prevent you from using it as a list management system. There's also a PDF guide for how to walk through that in leadsleap to create exactly what you're seeing. You sign up, you drop in the share codes, it walks you step by step. I'll show you a brief preview of what that looks like. So you can see here's really good. This is Edward's original share codes. I've included my updated ones as well. And it just takes you step by step there. And then as you can see, this is where you get to go in and rebrand that PDF report. So if I come back over here, you can see immediately right here, this is Paraiba, leadsleap, and that teambuildclub. And as you go through this, I think, let's see if it actually does it right here. So if I click on here, so there you go. You can see double G is my username when it comes to leadsleap. And so this is really great because right off the bat, let me hit the back arrow there. So right off the bat, the first 3 images that you see in this PDF report tie directly to the businesses. Here's Paraiba. I've got that link to another video to just give you a little bit of education. Here's leadsleap and then team build. And then it walks you through the value of YouTube and how powerful this platform is. But then it integrates all of your codes into this report so that anybody else that sees it that you share it with automatically is able to get registered, and they're able to reproduce this report as well. So super easy. You drop in your Paraiba ID, your leadsleap ID, and your team build club ID, and you're all set. Now, there's one extra thing that I've included here that I think is really valuable because it has been invaluable to me, and it is a free education platform to really help you learn how to grow your business. This is a free education platform. It's called Money Working for You. Was created by a gentleman by the name of Jason Burden. Also another lady, Kathis. She's based in Sweden. I will butcher her last name, so I won't say it here. But the two of them have over 60 plus years experience in network marketing, and they put together this amazing platform that gives you access to education as well as mentorship. That's unheard of in today's market, especially when you're in the affiliate network marketing spaces. It's just really hard to come by unless you're willing to pay a lot of money, and they've been able to create an incredible platform. So what I'll do is I'll make sure to include the link right here for you so you can check that out. If you got questions, please reach out. I'm part of that leadership team and really excited for the future of Money Working for You and help you unlock multiple streams of income in addition to the ones that are here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please leave comments down below. I'll be sure to include links for all of the videos and the platforms that I've mentioned here. And if you need anything else, please reach out. See you on the next video. Thanks a lot.